Hello friend, in this video, you are about to learn morphing animation of cube, capsule and sphere. So let's start this tutorial. Press Shift A, under mesh, select UV sphere. Now switch to edit mode, zoom little bit like this. Then double click on this edge. Now press V, then right click. Now this sphere is divided into two parts. Now select one vertex from upper part like this. Now press L to select half part, then press G, then Z, then move on Z axis like this. Double click on this edge, holding shift, double click on this edge, then click on this edge and select here bridge edge loops. Now press Ctrl R and give loop cuts like this. Now switch to object mode. Now right click and select here shade smooth. Again right click under this set origin, select here origin to geometry. Now press Alt G for clear location. Now press Shift D then X to duplicate on the X axis. Then click on this modifier properties. Then click on this add modifier. Then click on this cast modifier. Now under this shape, select here sphere and change its factor, that is 1. Now click on this arrow. Then click on this apply. Again select this, then press Shift D to duplicate, then X to duplicate on X axis. Now we have to convert this sphere into cube. Now first we have to change 3D cursor. So select this sphere, then press Shift S and select here cursor to selected. Now press Shift A, under mesh, select cube. Now select this sphere, then switch to edit mode. Now press A to select all the vertex. Now press S to scale like this. Switch to object mode. Then click on this add modifier. Then click on this shrink wrap modifier. Under this target, select here cube. Then click on this arrow. Then click on this apply. Now select this cube. Then press X key. Then delete this. Now we have this cube. So select this. Then click on this object data properties. Then expand this normal and enable here auto smooth. Now we have this nice cube. Now select this cube, then holding shift, just select like this. Then click on this object data properties. Under this shape key, click on this arrow and select here join as shape key. Now delete these two objects. Now select this cube, then press Alt G for clear location. Now we have three options: basis, sphere and sphere 0.001. When you select this sphere and you have this value, change this value, you can see this is turning into capsule. And when you select this sphere, now this is changing into a sphere. So first select this last sphere, then click on this arrow. Now rename it. So double click on this sphere and change its name, that is capsule. Then double click on this and change its name, that is sphere. Now uncheck this relative option and you can see some value. This is 0, this is 10 and this is 20. It means when here evaluation time will be 0, then this will be cube. When evaluation time will be 10, then it will be a sphere. When evaluation time will be 20, then it will be capsule. Now animate this. So make sure you are at first keyframe. Then click on this icon. Now change its keyframe value like this. Then change evaluation time, that is 20. Now click on this arrow. Now press spacebar and we have this nice animation. Now keep cursor mouse on this timeline, then press T and select here linear. Now press spacebar. You can see this type of glitch. You can easily fix by applying subdivision surface modifier. So click on this modifier properties, then click on this add modifier, then click on this subdivision surface modifier. Still you can see some glitch. Simply increase its level viewport value as well as render value. Now press spacebar and we have this nice animation. I hope you learned something from this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.